Fun fact, 50% of people won't even finish this 2-minute video. That's how badly social media broke our attention span. Your brain has been rewired to quit every 8 seconds. Studies revealed that brain scans of heavy social media users look like brain scans of drug addicts. Your prefrontal cortex is shrinking. Here's what's happening to you. Your brain used to hunt, to build, to feel good. Now, it just needs to scroll. You've turned yourself into a lab rat pressing a lever for pellets. And the worst part? You think you're relaxing. Meanwhile, in reality, you are cooked, bro. But no matter how distorted you are, it's never too late to fix yourself. Your attention span isn't dead, it's just dormant. Here's the protocol to fix it. 3 phases. Phase 1, the detox. Delete social media from your phone for 2 weeks. If that terrifies you, good. That fear is proof you're addicted. Make distractions hard. Log out of everything. Use website blockers. Turn off notifications. No screens 1 hour before bed. Phone stays on airplane mode until your most important task is done. The goal isn't perfection. It's making the right choice your default choice. You need to break the circuit before you can rebuild it. Phase 2, boredom training. Every day, sit in silence for 30 minutes. Just you and your thoughts. It'll feel like torture at first, but this is where you take back the control. Boredom is the birthplace of creativity. You've been running from it your whole life. Phase 3, the replacement ritual. You're not just removing bad habits, you're installing new ones. Pick one task. Set a timer for 25 minutes. Do nothing else. Just work. When the timer ends, you've just done more deep work than most people do in a week. Gradually increase your focus blocks by just 5 minutes each day. Watch your life change in 30 days. But wait, there's a catch. Most people fix their focus but never unlock their full potential. Don't stop here. The next video shows you how to turn focus into peak performance.